Welcome to a transformative journey that will redefine your leadership mastery and elevate your business acumen. Introducing the Chief Business Officer Program, a unique collaboration between IIM Udaipur and Immaticus Learning. This innovative program brings together the unparalleled academic excellence and the practical industry insights. C-suite curriculum, dive into real-world case studies, gain insights from industry stalwarts, delve into consumer culture, expand your global CXO network, 3 days campus immersion at IIM Udaipur, elite IIM Udaipur Executive Alumni Network, premium access to LinkedIn Learning, and gain real-world experience in a risk-free environment through Immaticus Game Studios Business Simulation and Role-Playing Multiplayer Game. Upon successful completion, you will be awarded a prestigious executive postgraduate certificate, validating your expertise and marking your dominance as a chief business officer. Elevate your career, enhance your strategic thinking, and become a catalyst of change in the business world. Chief Business Officer Program.